wedi anghofio'r gitar.
Liz, aros.
Sori, dwi ddim yn deall Cymraeg.
Liz, please, wait. Please. Mae'n frin gen I, sorry. Dwi'n actor fel twpsy now. I've been acting like a prize idiot, yeah. Sorry, I'm under a lot of stress at the moment. Dwi dan straen.
You're not the only one. Dwi'n priodi.
Oh, hynlle, nightmare.
Why don't you go home? Adre i'r gwely.
Yeah. Yeah, syniadau. Oh.
You dropped this.
Oh.
Beth sy'n wedi digwydd Hefin?
Oh, well, now that you've seen, look, they're threatening to cancel my Welsh class.
What?
Oh, I thought you'd read it.
My Welsh isn't good enough. I couldn't understand.
Yn union, exactly. That's the problem. Dim digon arian i'r holl ddosbarthiadau, there's not enough money for all the classes, a bydd rhaid i'r un ma'n fynd, survival of the fittest. So, falle bydd rhaid i'r Wers Gymraeg orffen. The Welsh class will have to end.